Now it's okay?
Better, ma'am. Ma'am, can you zoom the screen? Is it possible?
Yes, I try. Little bit.
Okay, ma'am, I will zoom my screen. Leave it.
Yes. Now it's web generations. This is the important topic. Sometimes questions come in from this topic. So, World Wide Web is used for, as we discussed, application to application communication. Yes. So, a web service is a software system designed to support computer to computer interaction. Yes, as we know, we want to communicate, so we can. It is like a system software. One second, there is a system software designed to communicate, to interact with the other computers by the use of the internet. The World Wide Web was created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee, as we discussed in yesterday class, in 1989. Berners-Lee has played an active role in guiding the development of web standards such as markup languages. As we know, HTML is used in the World Wide Web. Okay, www was concerned at CERN is a organization, it's like a laboratory where he developed the www, that is placed in the Geneva, Switzerland. Okay, now first generation was the web 1.0. Web 1.0 is also called a www. It is a, as we know, it is only readable, where we can read the content only. That generation is the web 1.0. It is a system of interlink. The hypertext pages are present in the www web 1.0, and it is a static web. It is read only web. According to Berners-Lee, it allowed to search for it as na it is around the time of the 1996. Okay, where only the data, where only only content is present in the internet. And like a Britannica is the example of the web 1.0. It is like an encyclopedia book. Britannica is like an encyclopedia book where you can read the content only. You can't give your views or your content on the internet. You just read the content, which content you want to read, which topic you want to read. You just get that topic or read that topic. That is present in the web 1.0. Okay. Next is the web 2.0, 2.0, sorry. It is a social web. Now it's a advanced version of the 1.0. In this web 2.0, in this you can read and write. Now in this generation, you can read the content and you can also write your own content. It's come in 2006. It is an improved form of www. Tim O'Reilly and Dale Dotte held the first Web 2.0 conference, during which the term Web 2.0 was brought to the attention of a wider public. Uh, who defined the Web 2.0? Web 1.0 defined the Tim Berners-Lee, and Web 2.0 defined by the Tim O'Reilly and Dell Dotte. Okay, in 2006. It makes use of new and latest technologies in order to make the user experience more interactive, useful, and interconnecting. It is a web of communication where we can communicate with the other peoples or other persons, like Facebook is the way where we can connect with the other persons, other peoples. Okay, this is a basic example, main example of the web 2.0, like a Facebook. You can easily understand by the example Facebook. So we can interact with the, one second. Okay, so it is a what is the web 1.0 is the web of content, and web 2.0 is the web of communication. Here we can read the content and also write the content. It is a web of people. Because why it is a web of people? Because we are connecting with the people, okay, other peoples. Its search engines retrieve tags with micro contents. We can tag the pictures, like in Facebook. uh, we can create the links. We can create the events on the net. News, we can listen the news. Blogs, blog is also the concept of the web 2.0. There are also, because in web 1.0 you can just read the content. It is a, you can understand like that. It web 1.0 and web 2.0 are just the front page, front view. Because their view was very, they are based on just like you can say that uh, you just open the content. You just they are very good looking, you can say that. They are very good looking, so they are based on front page. They are basically dependent on front page. But after the web 2.0, there is backend, work on the backend. Web 1.0 and 2.0 work on the front page, front look. But in the web 3.0, they work on the backend. Okay, it is associated with blogs, Wikipedia. In web 1.0 there was a Britannica. In web 2.0 there was a Wikipedia. Okay, podcasts are there, blogs are there in web 2.0. These in this picture you can see the examples of the web 2.0. LinkedIn, Twitter, Flickr, Delicious, Google Apps, SlideShare. Skype is also the example of the web 2.0. YouTube, these all are the examples of the web 2.0, where you can read and write the content. It is a social web. It is a web of communication. Next, web 2.0 supports
Ma'am,
blogs.
ma'am,
Yes,
can you give some example of Web 2.1?
web 2.1.
Oh, I'm sorry. Before that, ma'am.
You can take the example. There was also a Google. There was also not a friendly, you can say, MSN. MSN was the app that was used in the web 1.0. Google, the earlier version of the Google, where you can read the content only. These are the basic. I will give you the slides with the examples. Okay,
Okay,
so
ma'am.
yes. MSN, the basic name was a MSN, the app were used in the Web 1.0. Google, the earlier version of the Google. That was the example of the Web 1.0, where you can only read the content. Blogs, Web 2.0 supports the blogs. It supports blogs. We can uh, where we can group of peoples or individuals interact or communicate message. It can communicate through the message, or connect to the people through the blogs. Flickr is also the example of the. Flickr is the app. These are the apps: blogs, Flickr, Orkut, Google AdSense, Wikipedia, Script. These are the, you can say that, apps or websites where you can share their views, or you can read or write the content. Okay, Flickr is used for the uploading the images, photographs, pictures, okay, with anyone and anywhere. Orkut is used for, it is a social networking website where we can communicate messages with other users, like a YouTube. Okay, in YouTube you can upload their videos. YouTube, it is a different. YouTube, it allows a user to upload their videos and share it with us. As we know about the YouTube, we can upload, or we can watch the videos, or we can share their own videos on the YouTube. Google AdSense, it allows users to earn money, okay, through posting Google Ads. there was a Google ads. Now you see now, when you are using the internet, you see the automatically ads come in the in front of you, in between your application on in. But at the time of the web 2.0, there was no ad. You have to give the ad differently. Rather, in between the no they the ads don't play in between your work, or you can use in your application, or in your web, in between your website, or that you are running. But nowadays the ads comes in on its own. Okay, but at the time of the web 2.0, ads don't come. They have to pay differently, or like in the TV now, you see there was a you see serials, or that the ad comes differently, not comes in between. Now you see the news, the news is running, you are watching the news, but at the side of the screen you see the ads side by side. Okay. Now Wikipedia is also, you can read, it's like an encyclopedia, where you can you can write your content, and you can also read the content in the Wikipedia. Script is the website. Users can upload any documents on the website, where other users can either download or view those documents online. As you see, you today we you want to search on any topic, just you can also read the content, and you can also download it as same like this. Script was the website, or you can say that it was a website where the person or user can download its content according to their use, according to their requirement, so he can upload his document for others. Mashups, as you see, before 10 years before, or 15 years before, you see now, there was a mashups like there are so many songs, 10 to 20, you can see, you can take the example of 20 songs. You can see there are the first four lines, every songs, they mash up all the songs in one video, or in one audio. So this is a mashups, combine the data in one place. Web 3.0, it comes in 2016. It is a semantic web. Semantic web is the web that gives us meaning. That gives us meaning. That is a semantic web. In web 3.0 is the where we can read the content, write the content, and execute the web. Now the word add is execute. The word is used for the web 1.0 is scroll, means crawl word. We are like a baby is crawling now, baby crawl. Like web 1.0 is like a crawl, web 2.0 is like a walk, and web 3.0 is like a run. Now it connects knowledge. It is a intelligent web. Now it is a intelligent web. Like you can understand AI intelligence, sorry, Alexa, Siri, these are the examples of the web 3.0, because it is an intelligent web. When you talk with the Alexa, Alexa gives you the answer. He gives the answer. When you want to listen the joke, or you want to dial some, you want you say some, dial this, contact this number, name, you want there, he Alexa do like that. So that is the intelligent web. It supports 3D portals, multi-user virtual environment. Yes, because these are multi-users can use a one environment. Integrated games. There are so many games. As you see in the PUBG, like that. Uh, at one person is at one place, another person is another place. They are playing the game at one time, one game. Okay, all media flows in and out of virtual web worlds. Web 3.0, 3.0 search engine will retrieve micro content text which were tagged automatically. As you see now, uh, like you are searching on some like you are searching on your jeans. For example, we take the example of jeans. I am searching on my, I want to purchase some jeans. I am searching on the jeans. You will see automatically you will see the uh, all the websites will show your jeans. They will show ads will come in front of you. All the uh, ads will come in front of you about the jeans, different jeans, so that your mind will demand for the for purchasing the jeans. So that is the Web 3.0. Web 3.0 organize the world's information. Okay, we get the information, world's information, because any person can has information. Any person has information. He can give his information. He can share his information anywhere, any uh, place. At his place he can share his information anywhere, like we are doing like that. We are now we are doing online study at their own place. This is an example of the Web 3.0. Now SaaS, this is the word, so please note down. This is a sometimes they can ask, SaaS is related to which web? SaaS is a software as a service. This is a business model. Okay, this is a, you can say the example. SaaS, a word is related to the Web 3.0. Open source software program, as we discussed about open source software. Uh, Open source software where you the source is free of, source code is free of cost, where you can source code means to say source code of the operating system, where you can make your own operating system. So it is very useful for us, or but it is very harmful for us. How they harmful? Because hackers can also by the use of this source code can make their own operating system or own software to hack other sites. Okay, so this is this web is good for us, or also somewhere harmful for us. That's why next generation comes. First we will take the summary of the uh, yes.
SaaS is a software.
Yes, SaaS is software as a service, because the software that gives you the service. Okay, this word comes under the, sorry, Web 3.0. I will give you the examples after this. Uh, I think I have given the example like Alexa, Siri. These are the examples of the Web 3.0 that we are using today. Instagram is also the example of the Web 3.0. Instagram that doesn't come in the Web 2.0. It comes in the Web 3.0. Okay. WhatsApp comes in the Web 2.0. So, like as I have told you, Web 1.0 is crawl, Web 2.0 is walk, Web 3.0 is run. It mostly read only, read write, portable and personal. Portable and personal, read write and execute. Company focus, community focus. These are the keywords. These are the keywords that you have to remember about Web 1.0, 2.0, and 3.0. It is on home pages. These are the blogs, Wikipedias, live streams, waves, sharing content, owning content. These are the, you have just read out. And now next is, it is a Britannica Online, it is a Wikipedia, it is a semantic web. Behavioral behaviorable web is, what is a who is a behaviorable web? That is a Web 3.0. When sometimes a question asks who is the behaviorable web, that is the Web 3.0. Okay, the,
Ma'am,
yes,
uh, can I summarize and then you tell me that I've understood it correctly or not?
yes, please.
So, ma'am, Web 1.0 is basically the read only type. Like in that, we can read the content.
Yes,
We cannot write there.
yes,
And okay. And in Walk 2.0, Web 2.0, where we can read, write, And video and audios are also available there.
Only read write. Read write means to say, write means to say you can post your videos and audios. Okay. It audios and videos comes in the blogs, these YouTube. These are the examples of the uh, Web 2.0. Okay.
So
Yes.
read comes under audio and video also.
Yes. Yes. Audio, video also.
So in web point 1.0, there is also video and audio.
Yes. You can say like that.
Okay, so the basic difference between 1.0 and 2.0 is to write.
Right. Yes. You can write. You can give your own content. You can
Okay.
share your own content. Yes.
And in web 3.0, we can share our content wherever we want, like podcast and all.
Yes.
We
Podcast is
can,
comes in the Web 2.0.
then, ma'am, only artificial intelligence is the example of 3.0.
Yes, you can say like that. This is a basic example. For you to understand Web 3.0. This is a you can say like Instagram, where you can share your your own. How can you? I understand.
Like the
Instagram.
more
Every person have talent, so he can share his talent through this platform. Every person have some talent now, so he can share his own talent. He can show his own talent through this web. So
so
that is,
more advanced technology
yes,
basically
more
we.
advanced technology. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
This Google Drive and all comes in 3.0, right, ma'am?
Google Drive comes in the Web 2.0.
Cloud-based applications.
Yes, cloud based application comes in the Web 3.0. Yes. Okay. Now we will discuss about little bit about Web 4.0. Web.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is cloud-based application is in our syllabus?
You have to know about, no, cloud based application doesn't come in the syllabus, but you have to little bit, I will tell you about little bit about this. You have to just know about the things little bit. You have to know when question comes, you can at least relate with that topic. Sometimes question can come, so you should know about that, and so that you can relate the question with that topic. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now Web 4.0 is the mobile web. It is a mobile web. I didn't make the slide, but because this is very little bit 2 or 3 lines, so that's why I didn't make. But I will share you with you some content. Web 4.0 is a mobile web. It can be ultra intelligent. It is artificial intelligent, na Web 3.0, but Web 4.0 is a ultra intelligent electronic agent. It is a symbiotic. Web 3.0 is a semantic web. It is a symbiotic web. Okay. Because we are interacting with the machines. We are interacting with the, it is a powerful as this is not in now in the, we are not using the Web 4.0, we are using the Web 3.0, but this is a future. You can say that this is a future. It will be more powerful as human brain. It will be more powerful. Okay. You can say that one second. Mm, there is not present. You this is connect with your directly with no, it is comes in the web of thoughts. It is web 4.0 is a symbiotic web. You like you can say that, what are you saying, what are you saying, your machine will be immediately understood. Okay. What do you want to do, like you can say that na chat chat gpa किसी ने use किया, chat gpa, sorry, chat gpa, is anybody use chat gpa?
Yes, ma'am.
Chat GPT, ma'am.
Gpt, sorry. Gpt is the example of, you can say that this is the example of the Web 4.0. Okay. Where your machine is understood about anything, understood about what are you want, what do you want, that is giving you the answer very quickly.
But
Okay.
ma'am, you have said that it is a part of artificial intelligence, and artificial
It's the
intelligence
Alexa
is
and
part of
Siri. I give the
3.0.
example of the Alexa Siri. I didn't give the example of Chat GPT.
No, no, no. You said artificial intelligence is a part of 3.0.
Yes, artificial. I am not talking about artificial, and I am talking about Chat GPT. Chat
Chat
GPT is the advanced version
GPT.
of the chat artificial intelligence. It is the advanced version of.
Okay.
Yes. And Web 5.0 is the emotional, where your machine will understood your emotions. Now, machine doesn't. It has no IQ level. It has no emotional values. Emotional. But when 5.0 when 5.0 will come, the it will understood your emotions. Your machine will understood your emotions. How, what are you feeling? What do you want? uh, you are happy, you are sad, like this. As you see the movie, like Aishwarya Rai and
Yes, ma'am.
what,
Rajnikant only.
Rajnikant, that is the example of the Web 5.0, where robots will understood behave like a human. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
got it. Yes, it is a emotional web. Web 5.0 is the emotional web. Got it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Excuse me,
yes.
ma'am. Can you repeat OA 4.0 is what is the characteristics?
What is the characteristics? It is a you just understood, right? It's a mobile web. Like that work is you are like you are working on your PC, same as like you work on your mobile web, anywhere, any place. Because how will I relate with this?
Ma'am,
Once.
actually, how a 5.0 will understood our emotional. Then, like this 4.0, what will do?
What are you saying? Please explain. What are you saying?
Means I am asking, ma'am. First OA 1 we know only read only. Then 2.0 only read and write. Then 3.0 read and write and execute.
It is a mobile web.
Mobile.
It's a mobile web. It's a you will 5 point sorry 3.0 is a, one second, my screen is visible or not?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay, one second. It's some. Mhm. Yes, now it's visible. I am saying that web 4.0 is a symbiotic web, where a human, your machine will be think like that. Humans, he will think like that, he will work like that, humans. I am just giving the example of this is an example of the chat gpt. When you give the just one word, say that, he will give you the like you want to you just say the chat gpt that I want to email that person. He will give you the whole, he will make the whole email itself. You don't need any help. The chat gpt will not take any help from you. He will just, you are giving one word to the chat gpt, he will according to your you can say that brain, you can relate that with brain. He will create your email with its own, your application, your leave application, your any application, he can work like that. Chat gpt work like that. I'm just giving the example of the chat gpt to understood that what is the web 4.0. Okay,
Okay,
understood.
okay. Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Means he can behave like a robot. You can understand like
Yes, it behave like a robot. Behave, it is a behave like a human. How we think, uh, he will do like that, he do like that. You
okay,
just you want like you say that you want something, he will give you. He will give you. You don't need any other website. You just anybody use the website chat gpt now, so you try to use it. When you give some topic, he will give you the whole topic. He will give you the whole topic on that one word. So he is working on its own self, but it is also you can say that it is its brain is as powerful as human. You can say like that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Now next is the domain name. Domain name is your website name. As you enter some like you enter www.facebook.com or some like that, www. Anything that you want to search, you just give some address to your web browser. Okay, you just give some address as you see in the screen now. This is a www.google.com. This is a web address. You are just typing on the web browser. So that is the Google word. Google word is the domain name, and .com is the, it is written top level domain, but it is a extension of the domain name. Okay, and www is the subdomain, and http is the, as we discussed yesterday class, http is the protocol, hypertext transfer protocol, that is using in this web address. And whole address is called URL, uniform resource locator, where which address you are typing, the search engine or the search engine will locate that address on the www website, on sorry, world wide web. So domain name is the address where internet users can access website. Okay. Suppose when you press this google.com, what will open? Your Google will open now. So your spiders and as I have discussed in yesterday class, your spiders and crawlers will search that address, this domain name, and he will open that Google app. So this is the this complete whole is the URL, and in between www and .com is between the, it is a address. Extension can be changed because there are so many extensions. There are so many extensions like org, like .gov, .in. There are so many extensions can be changed, but some if you are using the government site, you will give the extension of the .gov. You will give that with the domain name, you will give the .gov. When you are org, non-profit organization, you will add .org. That is the also the top level domain. This is also the extension of the domain URL. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is the domain in this website? UGCnet.nta.nic.in.
Repeat again.
UGCnet.nta.nic.in.
.net .in. UGC NET is the domain name because you want to go to the site of the UGC NET. Okay. When you add www.ugcnet, after that .nit.in, this is a extension, because domain name is creating we can purchase, we can buy, we can buy your own domain name, own extension. Okay, top level domain we can purchase. Okay, if you want, this is a government site now. So .in means India, it is a India domain. So when you want to create your different extension of the domain, then you have to buy that purchase that domain you can say name or URL. Okay.
Then, ma'am, what is NTA here?
And that I am saying na ki this is a this is not commonly used. This is only for the UGC net site. This URL is only for the UGC net site. So that's why it's the URL of the only for the UGC net. It is created through by the for the UGC net. It is this URL is created only for the UGC net site. Okay, so that's why it is different from others. Why we don't add the words NTA, NIT for others? Because it is only for the UGC net. It is specially made for the, you can understand, it is specially made for the UGC net. Or you can say that government is made his own domain name from the you can say that who developed the domain name. Okay, so, because as you
Ma'am,
understand, yes.
ma'am, India is the main site from where we can go to the UGC net, from where we can go to the
Yes, National
CUT.
Testing Agency. It is a national testing agency, na? Yes.
What I'm asking is that, so India is the main website, and within that website, we got UGC net as a another subdomain, as well as NET as a subdomain, right?
I don't understand what are you saying.
I'm audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, you are audible, but your voice I couldn't understood. What are you saying?
NTA, National Test Agency, is the main website. Under this website, we go to the UGC net, or we go to the NET, or we go to the CUET.
See you?
So CUET, Central
Yes, yes,
University
see you,
Entrance
see you.
Test.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, that's why I'm saying now UGC net. We are searching for the UGC net. Okay, we want to go to the site of the UGC net. Okay, so that is the address of that is a basic address of because
Hmm.
and UGC net is comes under the National Testing Agency. Okay,
So
National
main
Test.
domain is NTA and subdomain is right UGC net, right?
Yes, yes. So .in is for the India, and these are the these collect because when you are searching on that site on that URL, you type this address, you will go to the NTA. First of all, you will go to the NTA, National Testing Agency, under which you will under that you will open the UGC net. Under that, you will open the website web page UGC net of the UGC net. So this whole makes the address of the UGC net under NTA agency, anti-agency. Okay, this address is for only for the, and you can say that anti-agency or UGC for only for the UGC or not for only for the UGC net, for anti-agency, that all things comes under the NTA. So understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. A domain name is used for finding and identify computers on the internet. Domain name is used, or because every person, like humans now, every person has its own name. So we recognize with this name, because human can remember the name. He cannot remember the number, but machine understood only number language. Okay, numeric form. But so every human, like every human has his own address. So every uh, website has its own address. That address is called IP address. But human, and for the humans to understand that address, they made the domain name, or you can understand URL. Okay, so that we can locate that website, we can go through that website. So that's why who developed this domain name, who developed this website name, they developed this URL to understand for us, to understand for humans, so that he can go to that website or go to that address. But human machine doesn't understand this address. He just first it converts into the IP address. First, this address is converted into the IP address. IP address because every PC, every device has its own IP address. Okay. Every address has its, it is in the number form. Like you see na, 1 second. Like I don't know, remember 922 something like that. This in this form. You see now this it can be more than this digits. So this type of address, every PC, every device has its this type of address in the number form. So this is called IP address. So machine understood this language, this address. So this address first, sorry. So first, this address is first domain that we press the address. That we type the address. This address is converted into the machine language. Then he will reach the spiders and crawlers reach that address and open that address or in front of you. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. However, it is difficult for humans to remember strings of numbers. Because of this, domain names were developed. Okay. Used to identify entities on the internet rather than using IP address. Because IP address is present in the numbers. So that, but human can't remember this, so much numbers. Because every website, every, you can say that, has its own address. So if you open that website, or you can't remember that numbers, you can't you can remember the names. So that's why they make the they develop the domain name. They develop the domain name. Okay. Types of domain name. There are generic domain names, generic restricted domain names, sponsored infrastructure. Generic is that is normally we are using .com, .net, .org, .info. That we basically for the general purpose we used the generic. Mostly we use the .com. Generic restricted .pro, .biz, .name. This is for the specific purposes. And education, the domain name, sorry, top level domain is the .edu. Government, for the government side, it is .gov. For the military, it is MIL. Okay. Arrow, cat, Asia, Mobe, Coop, travel, tel, jobs. These are all the for the business domains. Okay, for the business purposes. Infrastructure .arpa. Arpa is we have discussed now ARPANET. So this is for the original top level domain. This is the original top level domain used to help with the DNS infrastructure. As we .in is the
Can you show me the last slide, please? Just for a second. Thank you, ma'am.
yes. It is a top level domain for the India. .in for the India. .edu for the education. .com for the commercial. .net is the network related domains or non-profit organization. Government sites. Military. Shorthand for military. These are the file extension we used. Okay. .txt for the text only. This is used in the notepad. In which software this top level domain is used for in the notepad. docx, as you read out when I will share the notes, please read out this is because sometimes question ask in the related the file extension, which file extension related to which software or okay. dot jpg for the paint, dot tif for it is also for the paint, for the mp3, mp4. Okay, so please read out it when I share the notes. Who gives domain name? Who gives, as I told you, some persons gives a domain name to that ip address. So who gives that domain name to that ip address? ICANN. ICANN is the who gives the domain name to that ip address. A domain name registrar is a service that lets you register and purchase. You can purchase your own domain name. Okay, domain name registrars have been accredited by ICANN. What is the full form of ICANN? Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. Who gives domain name? Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, which is a non-profit who has been delegated the responsibility manage the domain name system. Okay. What is DNS? DNS is a domain name system. What is domain name system? It gives us service. It works as a server. How it works as a it gives us service or gives us works as server. How? Because as I told you, every PC, every device has its own IP address, and because human doesn't understood that IP address, so DNS 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 converts the website name or domain name into the machine language. Okay, into IP address or number form. Okay, so that machine can understood that IP address, so he can spiders and crawlers reach that IP address. Okay, for us. Is an internet service that translates domain names into IP addresses. Because domain names are alphabetic, they are easier to remember. The internet, however, is really based on IP address. But internet is based on only IP address, because as you send your message, on WhatsApp, it will reach on that to that person only because of IP address. The message will not send to anyone. He will reach only on that person because of that IP address. Okay, got it?
Ma'am,
Yes,
so basically IP address is constant, right?
yes, it's a constant. You can't change, and it is also there is a. I will discuss tomorrow because there it can be vast. Yes, I will discuss little bit topic that I have left. Topology. That I have discussed. Yes. What is network topology? Network topology is it can be when you arrange your like in the school, or you can take the example of the colleges. When in the computer lab, you see the sometimes computers are connected in this in different ways. Sometimes that they are computers are connected in a line. Sometimes they are connected in a whole room. And you can in a building there is also because in a one floor, second floor, third floor, the computers are connecting through the wire. Okay, this is why it is, because it is of a network. This is how it is connected. It is connected by the network topology. uh, there are so many ways we can connect the computers. There mostly we will discuss about there are star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, bus topology, tree, and hybrid. We can connect the computer uh, uh, in the form of the star topology, in the form of the ring topology, in the form of the mesh, bus, tree. These are the ways where we can connect the pieces with each other. Okay. A network topology is the physical and logical arrangement of the nodes and connection in a network. These are the arrangements of the nodes. Nodes, I have told you yesterday, nodes are the PCs. We can terminals. Terminal is also the, we can give the name to the our PC or any device. Node, PC, terminal. Host is who is giving the information. Host is different thing, but node and terminal, we use the word for the PC or any device. Now, nodes usually include devices such as switches, routers, software with switch and routers. This is the, yes. In we nodes we can connect it with the switches. We will discuss about switches, routers. Because there are switches, hubs, gateways, routers. These are the hardware devices where we can connect the PCs with each other by the use of these devices. Why is network topology important? Because network topology plays a major role in how a network functions. Namely, the topology has a direct effect on network functionality. When you connect the computers, it's like some in some topologies there is a need of the bus topology. Some connection there is a need of the star topology. Some where it is need of the ring topology. So according to the network functionality, you use that topology. Choosing the right topology can help increase performance as a properly chosen and maintained network topology increases energy efficiency and data transfer rates. A well-defined network topology makes it easier for network admins to locate faults. So in this way, somewhere fault occurs in between the connections. So you can easily find out the connection uh, with the help of this topology. There are the diagrams we will discuss. These are the diagram of the network topology. We will discuss about what is a bus topology. As you see in the diagram, this is a diagram of the bus topology. The bus is the PCs are connected with the help PCs, or it can be printer, it can be scanner, not only PC. It can in topologies we can connect the any device where is using in the like you can say that that is used with the help in the piece you can say that in the help of the PCs. You can say that PC, we can connect the PC with the printer, we can connect the scanner, we can connect the wireless mouse. These are these things that we connect with our device, that all devices we can connect with this topologies. The simplest type of topology is called a bus topology. It is very simple because in this we are using only one cable. Okay, one cable we are using. That is why it is the simplest way in which network communication takes place over a single bus. In a single bus means to say ki single channel. Single channel means to say single wire. We are connecting the device with the single wire. That's why it is called the bus network or bus network topology. There are numerous taps and drop lines connected to the bus. Drop lines are cables. There are drop lines means to say when you are when there is a one wire, you are connecting with the PC with this wire. You are because every PC or every laptop has some wire, and you are connecting your PC or your PC with that wire. Uh, that is a drop line. Okay, because you need some wire or cables to connect your PC with that wire, with that main wire. Okay, so that is the drop lines. Drop lines are cables that connect the bus to the computer. Taps are connectors. In other words, each node is connected to a single transmission line. Star network, it is a diagram of the star network in which the one device is placed in center and all other devices are around it, they are looking like a star. So what is the center? Center device is the hub. Now I discussed na switches, routers, and gateways, hubs. These we connect in center. In at center there is a hub or switch present. Hub or switch device is present, and this hub or switches you can understand like that modem or like a Wi-Fi, like that. There is a device present in between the PCs, and all the PCs are connected with the only one hub. Only one hub. All PCs are connected. So that is the central star network hub, star network topology. Because hub is work like as a bridge. It's like it works like a bridge because they are connecting all pieces with each other. Okay, any node making a service respect or offering a service must first get in touch with the, because suppose I want to share information with someone, but first it will go to through the hub. It will go to the hub, then hub through the hub it will connect to the other PC. It will connect to the other PC. It will give to the goes to the other PC. First it will goes to the hub. Okay, so that is the star network topology. When the hub will suppose hub the fault occurs in the hub, so all pieces will not work. All pieces will not work when hub will uh, fault occur in hub. But if one PC fault occurs in only one PC, but all PCs will run uh, except that PC. Okay, because hub is okay, hub is working, so that's why all PCs will work except one who has fault. Ring network topology. When two computers are connected to form a ring, that topology is known as ring topology. This is the picture of the ring topology. You can say that it is in the circle form. Because ring is in the circle now. Ring is shape of the ring is circle, so that's why all pieces are connected in a circle. They are connected with each other in a circle, but it is a unidirectional. The information is rotate in unidirection, not in bidirectional. It is in a unidirectional, in a circular form. When one PC will create a fault occur in one PC, all system will not work. Okay. Mesh network. Mesh network is a technology where one PC is connected with the all PCs. One PC is in earlier topologies we see na one PC is connected with the only one hub or one cable, or uh, in a circle form. But in mesh topology, one PC is connected with all PCs. Suppose there are 6 PCs. So one first PC is connected with other 5, and second PC is also connected with other 5 one. So that's why it is called mesh network topology. Mesh topology, sorry. Mesh topology is a network configuration in which computers are linked to one another by numerous redundant connections. There are numerous methods for transferring from one computer to another. There is no presence of hub or switch. You can say that like that. There is no need of hub or switches because every PC and every computer is connected with each other. Okay. But there is a one server. There is a one server. Okay. Who through which you can say that internet is coming, through which internet is coming. So that's why there is a one server, but all are connected with each other. Tree network. Tree network is the topology in which there is also present one wire. You understood? uh, there is a one wire like a bus network topology, but all PCs are connected in the form of the star topology. Like you understand like that there is a one wire, but uh, as you see, read in the bus topology, only one PC is connected with the cable of the bus topology. But now you can take the exam. You can collect. You can collect collaborate the bus topology and star topology together. You can collaborate bus topology and star topology together, where one cable is present in which more than two or three star topologies are connected with that cable in the form of the bus topology. Okay? That makes a tree network topology. As you see now in the tree network topology, there is a one cable in between. There are star topologies. All PCs are connected in the form of the star topology. Now, next is the hybrid topology. Hybrid network topology means there can be star topology, there can be ring topology, there can be bus topology, there can be mesh topology. So, all network topologies can be together. That's why it is called hybrid network topology. Okay. So, we finish here. Anybody want to ask? Please, they can ask.
No, ma'am.